Have you ever woken up with that scratchy, uncomfortable feeling in your throat? You know, when every word you speak feels like it's trapped in a sea of mucus? What if I told you that the solution to this annoying problem could be as simple as something you already have in your kitchen? Salt. Let me tell you, this isn't just about clearing your throat for a few minutes. This is about tackling the root of the problem. In today's video, I'm going deep into how salt can help you rid yourself of mucus, whether it's coming from your sinuses, throat, or even your ears. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll not only know how to use salt to get rid of that nasty mucus, but you'll understand exactly why it works so well. Now, when we think of salt, most of us picture seasoning our food or preserving ingredients. But did you know that salt has been used for centuries for its incredible antibacterial and antifungal properties? It's a natural warrior against everything from bacteria to yeast and mold. Think about how meat is cured or how sauerkraut is made. It's salt that keeps harmful bacteria at bay. Here's where the magic happens. When you introduce salt to any bacteria or fungus, the salt draws water out of their cells, dehydrating them to the point of death. It's like watching a plant shrivel up under the hot sun. Now imagine this happening to the microbes causing that nasty mucus buildup in your body. Sounds pretty effective, right? But there's more. Salt doesn't just kill the microbes, it also thins mucus, making it easier to get rid of. I am just getting started. Stick around to the end of this video because later in the video I'll reveal some super simple yet powerful home remedies using salt that you can try right now. Let's get a bit more scientific here, but don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Have you ever wondered why salt is so effective at thinning mucus? It's all about osmosis, the process where water moves from a place of lower concentration to higher concentration. When you put salt on mucus, the water from the mucus moves out, breaking it down and thinning it. Whether that mucus is stuck in your sinuses, throat, or even dripping down from your ears, salt can help. And here's the kicker. Not only does it make the mucus easier to cough up or blow out, but it also helps eliminate the root cause by killing off the bacteria and fungus that may be causing the issue. Now, here's something interesting, and this is where most people get stuck. You could be treating your throat mucus, but what if the real problem is coming from your sinuses, ears, or even tonsils? In fact, if you've ever experienced that constant post-nasal drip, where the mucus seems to come out of nowhere and sit in the back of your throat, then there's a good chance your sinuses are the culprit. But don't worry, we'll talk more about that and how salt can help in just a bit. All right, let's get into the practical part. How exactly do you use salt to banish mucus? I know that you find this video informative so far and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So, go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, It's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Like I said, there are a few ways to use salt to banish mucus, and the best part is they're all incredibly simple. The first and easiest method is to take a teaspoon of high-quality salt, think Himalayan or sea salt, and dissolve it in a glass of warm water. Gargle with this solution for about 30 seconds, making sure to let it touch the back of your throat. This will not only kill off bacteria, but will also help break up that thick, sticky mucus. And here's a little secret: adding a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar can supercharge this remedy because it changes the pH of your throat, making it even harder for microbes to survive. But before you rush off to gargle, hold on. There's an even more powerful way to use salt, and I'll tell you about it in just a minute. Most people think that gargling is enough. But what if I told you that the real secret to getting rid of mucus lies in something called nasal irrigation? Stay tuned because I'm about to dive into it. If you've never heard of a Neti pot, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. It's a simple device that lets you pour salt water into one nostril and out the other, gently washing away mucus, bacteria, and other irritants. It's incredibly effective for people who suffer from sinus infections or that annoying post-nasal drip. By using a Neti pot, you're not only thinning the mucus, but also stopping the bacteria and fungus from multiplying. And trust me, the relief you'll feel is almost instant. But remember, don't stop at just rinsing your sinuses. In some cases, you need to address other parts of your body, like your ears, where mucus buildup could be occurring. And yes, salt can help with that too. If mucus is coming from your ears, here's another trick. You can take a drop or two of warm salt water and place it in each ear. Let it sit for a few minutes before letting it drain. This can help break up mucus that's trapped in your ear canals and reduce any infection-causing bacteria. And if you want to take it a step further, you can also use a diluted solution of apple cider vinegar in your ears. This will not only kill the bacteria, but help reduce inflammation. Beyond gargling and neti pots, consider adding salt to a humidifier. Breathing in saltwater vapor while you sleep can work wonders for thinning mucus, especially if you're dealing with a stubborn infection. Finally, if you really want to go all out, you can explore halotherapy, visiting a salt cave or using a halotherapy machine at home. These treatments release dry salt into the air, which you breathe in, helping to thin mucus and kill microbes in your sinuses and lungs. So there you have it. Salt isn't just something to sprinkle on your food. It's a powerful natural remedy that can help you get rid of stubborn mucus in your throat, sinuses, and even your ears. And the best part? These remedies are simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and click on that subscribe button and the notification bell beside it. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. But until my next video, click on the playlist that is displayed at the end of this video for more informational and educational videos like this. Also, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning. And I'll see you in the next video.